Hello student, this is a question from JEE Main 2018. Question is, if f of x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 1, where x belongs to R except 1 comma minus 2, then we need to find integration fx dx. Let us see how to solve this question. We are given f of x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 1. Let's assume x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 equal to y. Now, then x will be equal to 2y plus 4 divided by 1 minus y. So, now f of y become equal to, just we are putting value of x here, 2 into 2y plus 4 divided by 1 minus y plus 1. And after simplifying this, we get f of y which is equal to 3y plus 9 divided by 1 minus y. Now replace y with x, we get f of x which is equal to 3x minus 3x plus 9 divided by 1 minus x. So integrate this, we need to find value of integration fx dx. So integrate this function 3x plus 9 divided by 1 minus x dx. So partial fraction by partial fraction, 3x plus 9 divided by 1 minus x, we get minus 3 plus 12 divided by minus x plus 1 dx. So integration of minus 3 is minus 3x and integration of 12 divided by minus x plus 1 is minus 12 log mod 1 minus x. So after integration we get minus 3x minus 12 log mod 1 minus x plus c, where c is constant. This is our final answer. Let's go back and check which option is correct. After calculation, we find option B is correct option. You can also watch this short video on the concept we used to solve our problem in indefinite integral. And similar concept can also be found in class 12th mathematics part 2 book on page number 288 and line number 7. Thank you.